I guess you already figured out where I'm at, right? I am at Vineland Premium Outlets. And we're going to go in the store and see what they have. It just opened up, so let's see. Okay. Look at the new bag, the Aristocats, $150. All the other ones, these were all here the other day. Excuse me.
I saw that. Yes. This is cool. Water bottle. Yeah. I don't know what you got. Just right back.
There's a new fire ale mug. Let's see how much it is. $7.99. It's cute. What does it say on the other side?
Time to come here earlier this week.
Oh my. That's cute. And look at the big grumpy mug. It says no. That is huge. It's about the same size as this Donald, but it has a lid to it also. New backpacks. These are $21. And they've got quite a few of them. It's like a jean material. Oh, and they have socks. The socks are $7.99. I guess this movie didn't go over too well. The shirts here for $30. These pants, oh my goodness. Princess pants are like sweatshirt material. I'm not 100% sure, but is that from the Electrical Parade? I don't know. Tell me if you know where it's from. Oh, look at the new Stitch shirt here. This was not here the other day. And I can't see a price on it. Alright, they do have Star Wars Spirit jerseys. That's in a rainbow color for $31. These boots are here from the Flower and Garden for $31. And they do have a hat to match it. They still want $24 for the hat. I'll wait till it goes down. That's why they've got so many sitting there. They have a ton of the Alice in Wonderland items. From the teapots to the bowls, plates, mugs.
Like they're cute little.
There's a lot. And pillows. Nothing new on that wall at all. All the same purses as last week.
I want to get this limited edition.
Oops, sorry.
It's a ton.
$5.99. $7.99. $6.99. here. The ears are $15.99. $2.99. So we got a lot of the Christmas stuff here. But looky. Okay, they have Chip here. I remember at International they had Dale. So look at Chip's got the glasses on. He's cute. Forgot how much he was. $30. Alright guys, that was the outlet. Super busy. Bathrooms super busy. But your girl did get a pumpkin spice frappuccino. I deserve that after waiting in line for a half hour to check out. Got in the store at 11. Yeah, it was busy. So got some video, so I hope you guys enjoy that. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.